What's good, YouTube? Today we have the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's get into it. Alright, so first up we have the Apple Watch booklet, which all it shows is a couple of Apple Watch designs and also the charger, how to charge it, and the layout of the Apple Watch. Toss that to the side. Next up is the watch and the band. Toss that to the side. Okay, so let's start off with the band first. As you see, I went with the medium large, so I do have a quite large arm. Alright, inside it comes with the band and also some paperwork. Toss that right to the side. Okay, so now we got this nice grayish orange band, which from first impressions feels really nice and soft into the touch. Very nice band. Love the material. Put it to the side. Okay. Now let's take a look at the watch itself. Just gonna get this open. Okay. And as you see, it's the Ultra titanium case. Okay, what we have here. Okay, so first up, we have the charging cable with no brick inside, just the cable. And for the main event, we have the Apple Watch itself. Oh, this feels really nice in hand. Okay, so we have the side button and the crown. And on this side, we have the speaker and the action button. And on the back, we have the scanner. Okay. Let's see the watch with the band on. Okay, put this side in here. Okay, I really do like these bands because they're soft, but also really easy to just slide on. As you see, you get it on, and then you just pull the tab down, and voila, it's on. Nice snug fit and comfortable. Okay, let's take a look at the Ultra compared to my Series 7. The Ultra does have a little bit more weight than the Series 7. It's a little taller as well, as you can see. If I turn them to the side, you can see that the Ultra is also thicker. Looking at the back, it's pretty much the same. And the Ultra is the ones that have the action button. Okay, and for anyone wondering, yes, you can use old Apple Watch bands with the Ultra as well. As you can see, this is my Series 7 Nike watch band, and it fits perfectly on the Ultra. But I really do like the new Apple Watch bands. So it's right here. All right, everyone, that has been the Apple Watch Ultra unboxing. Until next time, peace.